Here are 7 fatty liver myths that you need to stop believing. If you are new to this channel, my name is Olusokoju Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Without wasting my time, let us look at this myth. Number 1 is only alcohol causes fatty liver. That is a big no, because there are other causes which are non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And with that one, they are not alcohol related. Number 2 is eating fatty food is the only cause of fatty liver. That is not true, because even sugary food or refined carbohydrates can end up in your body as fat and your liver can start storing them. Number 3 is if I have no symptoms, my liver is healthy. That is a big no, because sometimes people with fatty liver do not show obvious signs and symptoms at the early stages. You understand? So if you are not showing any obvious signs and symptoms, that does not mean that you might not be having fatty liver. Number 4 is fatty liver is harmless. That is not true, because most of the time, if fatty liver is left unattended, it can go a long way to harm your liver. And if your liver is being compromised, you are being affected, because it can cause inflammation of your liver, which is hepatitis. It can also lead to scarring of your liver, which is called liver cirrhosis, and it can end up even causing liver failure. Number 5 is fatty liver cannot be reversed. Those people saying that fatty liver cannot be reversed is not true, because it can be reversed at the early stages. There are some natural protocols or tips that you can do in order to reverse fatty liver, because if, let's say, what is causing this as a result of you taking a lot of fatty food or you taking a lot of carbohydrate or sugary food, then if you abstain or you cut down these kind of causes, definitely you can be able to reverse the fatty liver. If it's being caused by you taking a lot of alcohol and you now start cutting down the alcohol, definitely you can be able to reverse the fatty liver. So it shouldn't be said that fatty liver cannot be reversed. Then number 6 is liver detox products can cure fatty liver. That is not true. Let not anybody lie to you that there is a particular product that when you take, you can be able to detox your liver, because your liver itself is a very good detoxifier. It is the one that breaks a lot of chemical and toxic substance or poisonous substance that ends up inside your body. You understand? So there shouldn't be any medication that someone will advise you that go and take this medication and it can be able to detox your liver. There's nothing like that. Then the 7th myth is only overweight people get fatty liver. That is not true. There are some people who might be slim, you understand, and they might get fatty liver. Because in my next videos, I'll take time to tackle some of these crucial aspects when it comes to fatty liver. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I release a video on fatty liver. Like this video as well, and then share this video to friends and family so that a lot more people too will get a better understanding when it comes to fatty liver disease.